This creamy coral filling has been one of the most popular rice bowl fillings for decades. Fresh Mentaiko roll mixed with Japanese mayo, tacked inside perfectly salted rice. This is Mentaiko Mayo Onigiri. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Mentaiko Onigiri space Sudachi to find me. We're starting with 50 grams of fresh Mentaiko. Using kitchen scissors, carefully cut along the membrane to open the Mentaiko sock. You're going to gently separate the roll from the thin outer skin using a spoon. Don't toss that skin though, I usually enjoy it with a bit of rice. Now we're building our filling. In a small mixing bowl, we'll combine that beautiful separated Mentaiko roll with 3 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of dashi granules. Mix this gently but thoroughly until everything's fully incorporated into this creamy coral color spread. You want it smooth, but don't worry if you still have some texture from those tiny Mentaiko eggs, that's exactly what we're after. If the spread seems too runny, put it in the fridge and rest for a bit. For you hand shapers out there, wet your hands with cold water to prevent sticking and sprinkle them with salt. Take about 120 grams of cooked rice for one onigiri and flatten it right on your palm. Time to add our mixture. Spoon that Mentaiko mayonnaise mixture into the rice indentation you've created. The amount's really up to you, but typically 1 to 2 spoonfuls give you the perfect rice to filling ratio. You want that Mentaiko evenly distributed, but we don't want it leaking out. You'll need to fold the rice over the filling, making absolutely sure it's completely encased. Then use your palms to shape it into a triangle, oval, or round shape, whatever makes you happy, just keep that filling safely inside. Quick, confident movements are the key. If you're going the mold route, fill it up just over halfway, then make a small indentation right in the center and push the rice up the edges. This just helps keep the filling in the middle. Add your filling and then cover with rice until it's filled to the top. Use the mold lid to press and compact everything, making sure it's all stuck together in one cohesive shape. And consider sprinkling just a pinch of salt over the top surface for that extra flavor boost. Now for the final touch, wrap your onigiri with a strip of nori seaweed just before serving, not a minute earlier. Why? Because if you wrap it too far in advance, that beautiful crisp nori is going to absorb moisture from the rice and turn chewy. For the best textural contrast, apply the nori immediately before eating. And there you have it, Mentaiko Mayo Onigiri that perfectly balances the pop and gentle heat of the Mentaiko with creamy mayo, all wrapped up in perfectly seasoned rice. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my onigiri playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.